Hello and welcome. My name is Kevin Johnson with One Blue Real Estate School, and today we're going to cover the difference between general agent and special agent. Something that's really important when it comes to how you're representing your broker and also how you are working with consumers. So let's dive on into this. Now, general agents up first. General agent is authorized by the principal to perform acts associated with the continued operations of a particular job or a certain business of the principal. For example, you are a general agent for your broker, meaning that your broker gives a sales associate or a broker associate general authority to go out and work with consumers, buyers, sellers, and renters. You don't have universal authority, but you have general authority. You could also think general of the Army. The general of the Army has a lot of oversight and control within how the Army works, but not the other branches of the military. Now, special agent, I'm not talking like FBI, NCIS special agent here. A special agent is authorized by the principal to do a specific business transaction or perform a specific act. Think special, specific, right? They're very similar. This is when you give power of attorney for someone to sign a single document for you. They are your special agent. So special agent is specific. A seller gives a broker the rights to be able to list and sell their home for them. That is a special agent. All right, so that's the difference between general agent and special agent. I hope you found this very helpful. You can always check out more of our this versus that videos on our YouTube and Facebook channel. You can also visit our website, onebluerealestateschool.com. Click on courses and exam prep on demand. There you'll find information about our on-demand exam prep course that features over 200 short videos, much like this. Hundreds of practice questions, 2 full practice exams, flashcards, so much more. Everything you need to get you prepared to pass the state exam. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to make it a great day.